wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on, we saw no one.
Somebody always so cool. You too much for the told me in. What's the call on my last one? 423.
If you end up on the party, just comment in the comment section how the party go on. You know, this is how nice.
Who's we? I'm content.
I lie, man, you're nice too, man.
I'm good.
You're nice.
I'm good.
Let me see your face. You're nice.
I can't even
see where we are going. All of my vice gone.
Gully part.
Yeah, but man, I like partying good. Like the energy, way back. Some way back music.
It was actually good. It was like good vibes.
That's a party to keep, man.
Yeah.
Vibes ain't kind of broke, but you don't know. You have to hold it. You have to just hold it. Nisha, like Nisha say, you just hold it and come and enjoy yourself. You know, you just do the do. We just go in and up down and wake up.
I know, right?
You see me? But you don't know. Big up on yourself. I saw you lock off your night. Bless up on yourself and enough love.
Yeah, so last night we went out to a party. Guys, when I told you the party was a whole vibe, This is the thing. One thing with this town is when they come together and party, they don't need this person from that area to come.
I don't even know. What you want? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it was literally a whole freaking vibe. Like, holy. You don't say that. Don't listen to me then. But we're just going on the road right now to buy some meat to make Sunday dinner. And I know we didn't upload on I think 2 or 3 days, but I needed a little break because as soon as I came down here, it was literally like vlog, edit, vlog, edit, vlog, edit. So I just needed like the little couple, like a little break. Is it? Yeah, man. Come, Nella. Come this way. Hey, what's up? Yo, and shout out to whoever shout us out or big us up on RJR. Big up your guys' self. You know, the amount of people that message us to say, yo, I hear you guys. The bike scared you?
Yeah.
Remember I told you whenever you see a car bike coming, you just go to the corner, you come back this side, okay? Because they know me. Nella's like, how come that boy say hi to you? But yeah, shout out to whoever shout us out on the radio. Big up your guys' self. That was big. The amount of people that called us and messaged us. Redman.
What?
Redman.
Why is it white? What's the name?
The amount of people that linked us up to say, yo, I heard you guys on the radio. So big up yourself.
Don't say that. Hi.
Hi. How are you? Look how everyone just gets so big.
I don't know how they get big.
You wouldn't remember them. You were like a baby. Don't worry, everyone knows you though.
Huh?
Everyone know you.
Hi.
Where's your sister? Inside?
I thought you started.
Ziggy is done.
Daddy.
Ziggy is done.
Daddy.
Nyla!
Flour and the flour boil.
Now you're putting mud on the back of my shoes.
Boil.
Yo, I thought. Which way you want to go? But you want to be on the vlog too? You want to go on YouTube too? Yeah, man. Ziggy. I know, I'm gonna buy water.
My vibes kind of get broken.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a new day. We're not even gonna bring it up.
Yeah,
but Ziggy wanted to let loose.
Yeah, I feel the vibes. You know, I start bouncing at the party, but boy, them take.
I'm gonna buy you one. Yeah. A bike?
Yeah, there's a bike.
Yeah, man. Last night was nice.
There's a bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, scandal bag again.
I know. Let me see.
Bag.
Guys, this is the shopping bag. They don't use plastic bag out here no more. But yeah.
That one.
Huh? Yeah. This is what's going on for the day. I just want you guys to know that I also took your guys' feedback. Well, some of your guys' some people said they liked the videos that were drawn out. Let me flip this. Some people say they liked the video that was like kind of like drawn out, and then some people said they rather it fast forward. But I guess moving forward, I'll just not make it so long, I guess. I don't know. There's no winning, so.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, one of our subscribers, yeah. Yeah.
True, I appreciate it.
But for the long while, I say about 2 months, we don't get money.
Yeah.
Since we come in our country, I couldn't come in yesterday.
Yeah.
I also for them man.
And then when I look, I say I still subscribe.
It come like YouTube knows.
Yeah man, I also for them man, because I
Huh?
also surprised.
Stop, no.
Nobody can't complain another day. Because I worse, man, isn't it? You don't know.
Glad to see you. Alright.
I will look for meat, you know.
Yeah man, you're there for your meat, bro.
Yeah man.
You're there for Christmas.
Yes sir.
The man of the hour.
It was epic, yo. The man was so crazy.
It was good.
What's up? Yo.
Dude, I know. Here. Maybe just ask how I love you. Yeah, come on, I not even come back to come and tell us because I not even gonna part what you care about this saying.
Yeah.
But
Oh.
So now we're at the meat shop.
Mommy, it's 16, Mama. 16.
16?
Yeah.
About to buy some meat. Bye. Ah.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye.
I want to open this, Mommy.
Thanks.
Hey, I don't want her.
Come.
I
I know. This man's been here for years.
Oh, yeah.
Like literally since I've been coming out here, he's been here.
respect you before.
Thank you.
Alright, but that's all. Yeah, we
Wait, that was cool. How do you open
We're in the
it?
town before anyone tries to come for us in the comments. We're
Look at who-
literally 2 minutes from the house. Hold it. Wait.
Hi, guys.
Tell me what we just got.
Banana.
And
Grape.
how much was the grapes, Ziggy?
Huh?
How much was the grapes? $500 for this bag of grapes.
Think you say 1 pound of 1,000.
That's why I thought I heard 2. That's why I was like, what?
However, we park it out there.
Not there being no water again. No water again. So I'm about to brush my teeth. Pour this out in some cup and brush my teeth. I have to flush the toilet too. Yo. I'm here making
Yeah, I
some.
wanted my work. Oh, that's not me and my shirt. Huh? Nope.
No. What do you say?
Ziggy Dan's here doing up some whites. Not saying good morning? Not saying good morning?
Morning. Good morning, my people.
Ziggy, put anything
Good morning.
else in there?
You know what?
The porridge.
Yeah, just make you run down slowly. I mean, you can't sweeten, but not sweeten all like
Mommy,
all shit.
can I put the snowman?
I can sweeten all like. You put the other stuff over there. Like the little call say. You get it?
I know, my niece is back. So guys, we did it. I think I vlogged a little yesterday. I didn't think I vlogged. Basically went out Saturday, come back home yeah, I did vlog Sunday.
You vlog?
I think I did because that's when the camera died. So we didn't finish off the vlog because when I tell you I was tired, like
I was beat.
we were beat, and then not only that, my head, both of our heads were killing us. So we took Tylenol, we went up the road to get Kane, but the Kane guy wasn't there. And then I knocked out by like,
We go pay for Kane.
well, I was gonna buy Kane too.
Oh, that's why you want to pay more money. The socks them in this?
No, I didn't put them in there because they're really dirty.
Oh.
Yeah, so when we came back home, made baked chicken, mashed potato, veg, and we ate and went up the road.
For me, eat first, then I go sleep, or I go sleep.
You guys were
first.
playing video game, remember? Oh, you slept first after you're done.
Yeah. Lauren, you go check me. Oh, Jesus. I tell her, yo, I said to a long time in a party, like party like that. I'm
No, there's salt in it.
Oh, smell that?
Yeah.
I'm still in a party. Jesus.
I know.
Like 2 bunks, and that's it.
No.
Don't turn it upside down. I know you can smell the porridge. It smells nice.
Alright.
What do you want?
So this I same thing me literally I do right now.
That you do at home?
Yeah. Like them mother just go so good and just do that and get the powder, bleach or not. Why me as they call it bleach? Remember the first time you see me think I'm bleach, you know?
Yeah.
They think I'm bleach, that's why I never used to use it. I think I teach me to me say, now water they warm.
Yeah.
I'm just throwing the teeth out some of it.
So I just took one. What happened? You're back? You're back? What's your pants? But yeah, so let's go on outside.
Yeah, show for dry things for Nisha. Oh, wait.
It says another way.
Is this ice cream?
Yeah.
So
Well-
that was the long cut.
The what?
That was the long cut.
Long cut?
So we're gonna go to the long cut.
So we're gonna go get the kids some ice cream. I don't know, the ice cream parlor at the shop, the last time I went, they didn't really have nothing, but I know usually they stock it up. But we're gonna see, this lady has ice cream like on the cone.
Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate?
Yeah, I don't want the hard one. I don't want the hard one. I want the soft one.
Okay.
Can I sit there? Not up there. What is it?
Shop, like Pully. Yeah.
What?
How are you?
What's right? What's right?
No ice cream. So they're just cleaning up the field. Shit. What's up? Oh, that's your son? Yeah. Oh. He gets so big. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name? Tell him your name.
We love Dilly.
And what's your name? Tell him your name. Hey. What's your name?
Nyla. I say you, man.
I'm Nisha. Tell them what we're doing. What are we doing? We're chilling.
We're chilling. Let's play.
Chilling.
Let's play.
You're gonna go play?
Yes.
Okay, go play.
Come on, Dubai.
Why are you touching my bed?
Why are you touching my bed?
Ladies hard at work. They don't need no man. Man, we're strong women. Yeah. Exactly.
He's coming.
What's up? You good?
No, I'm talking to someone, nobody. Hey, talk on the phone. No, I'm talking to nobody. Hello? Hi, Nala. Okay. Hello, Nala. Bye-bye. Okay, so when I see me, let's take for
You buy her one now?
Huh?
You gonna buy her one, Amelia?
No.
Why?
Which one? You are going to buy.
You. Actually, you have to buy it.
Yeah.
Catch it. See? See?
I'm going to buy it.
You have to buy it.
You can catch me again.
Maya drop.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Papa. You them money that me talk about, me tell you say. Hey boy, tap in eyes. Or you want ton baller? You know say you ton baller and reach up in them. You know want play in the Premier League and them sitting there too. Eh? Eh? You know want play for Jamaica?
The next biggest thing outside go. A bomb bucket and puppy.
Me know man.
Yo, me say.
I left me that one to dog left you still you know.
When them see man give them a blood clot up and go for primary man.
So what really are going over here say is that as you can see over them part here, like literally whole feeling bush up, you know. And touch in and link up with the thugs them and say yo make you just do a one mad thing, you know. And get a guy and the guy come and just cut the whole feel and I tell you say right now we feel a little bigger than what we used to. Yo, tree run over here sound tired than an idea, you know? No, all of you. You. Oh yeah, so you can't tired. Alright, Mr. Man. Listen, the train, what, every week on the train? Like run on them shit there. Solid. 12 minutes. Eh? True. They say they keep fit out there. Yeah man. So the main plan what we have for them goal, they have to use some concrete posts when the goal them, you know. But for today, man, them say they want to burn some ball in the next couple of days. So we just use them if you know. Boy, none. Are you mean? Watch. Me go keep the camera up on you for your rest idea over here. Watch.
Them brother, you know when me can get them big old bomb buck we have pictures from them. Yes.
Russian, Greg, Kemar, Dante, all our youths them out,
How everybody?
Who this? Giovanni, Rum God. Yeah man, me that man, you mind you? Mind you?
I'm doing it.
Where you come from? The dog there.
Yeah, you can see somebody.
So if you go instead of a man, them can come out at evening time and go weird on a sick. You know what I mean? That's one back this one.
We're in 5 minutes left yesterday. My friend point at me on my YouTube. I'm telling my 5 minutes. Other day when we just go down a second, so I feel as I run go up and run, come back and run go up. I move.
If I run go up, that thing do. Once go up when we come back, I done me down.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, league of a killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up in your man. We make your man up, body a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back. Like sponge up, put the rest spot. Mother belly company, we make me stamp. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine. I hear my moose. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine. I hear my moose. You must be sick. And I 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. Miss me. Coming up kill two of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
So it is nighttime now and we're going to go get some fish. We didn't cook today. Ziggy went to Bafio, how was it?
But why you can't hold me?
They can't hold you? You score any?
Oh, 2. As usual.
But yeah, I was craving some fish, so that's what we're about to go do, buy some fish. Debating if I want steamed fish or fried fish, but I think I'm doing fried to be honest.
Yeah, nice though, I like. Even though I feel them bungle.
There's a lot of people?
Yeah man, you want to time like everybody I say if you take off some of my money on the side. I mean I say when I first day a ball field, yeah man, make everybody enjoy the ball game.
This man drunk?
Make everybody enjoy the ball game and then tomorrow now you can do side, you know? But for your first day, nice.
So basically, what you guys came down, you guys all came together and cleaned up the field because the field was kind of, are they putting up Christmas
tree?
Well,
yeah. Well, basically what going on is that the field transfer from win, you know? So I say, I have my bridge in Pranga that the man has come together and just say, alright, pay somebody to clean, you see me? So what I go on now is that all I youth them, like how all I youth them say from they see cut and something, they, like them I try to get rake and something to clean up the field. But today everybody just come together as one, you see me, and just say, alright, make a deal with it right now and just set up a goal them so we can play some ball. And that one! Go over there, go deal with the thing you really see. You know? All I leave pitney them over there see me want to play. Put them on and make them play a couple minutes and then tell them say alright.
Saying ball is definitely different out here than over there. Cause as soon as Ziggy play with the guys them overseas, like in Canada.
Yeah man, them start crying man. At what time? You reach 9 o'clock yet? No?
Hold on. 6:52. Only 6:52?
I'm gonna go get
it's so dark.
Yeah, we're nice my friend. God know I feel the vibes since evening. Even though I said 90 my friend.
Yo, I'm so dead.
They not like work.
Yo.
Oh, let me show you coffee car. I'm like, guys, can I keep the car running? I'm gonna go buy some policy and one flour. And flour is in a nice shop. Make some fried dumpling in the morning. No? Some fried dumpling now.
She's coming on your side.
Yeah. Some fried dumpling now.
I can't say.
Yeah? Thanks.
Anything. All tin mackerel I'd eat. Yo, I love tin mackerel. I remember when we used to have like our wholesale up here, and I'd make like tin mackerel and noodles, and they would laugh at me. They would laugh at me because I don't know, just because of the way how I love tin mackerel. But I don't know, tin mackerel is just nice.
Tin mackerel and noodles nice, you know?
It is nice.
Which one I
It's
use
almost
them?
like the little ones is what I used to use out here.
Oh.
The little.
I use any one of them.
Is this light bothering you?
I like pak soup.
Pak soup?
Yeah, the pak soup noodles.
I've never had that one. Pak soup, noodle, and tin mackerel?
I just throw off the water, I don't use it, keep the water.
Okay,
I just cook the pak soup, throw off the water. All the three of them. And then just add up the mackerel and then throw over it and just mix them out. Where the pepper?
Let me not even make up my fake. I never had it before. So
Oh God, man.
knock it before I try it.
Nice. Like I road now, my youth.
Literally, we've just been chilling out today. I was kind of just chilling in the... Huh? You hear the crickets in the bush? The little girls were... Shaniqua and Nisi, they were teaching me how to do some dance, but the way how they're going so fast, I'm like, guys, this is how you teach people? But I just end up recording them, and they were there laughing and stuff. Yeah. And Nyla was dancing. Let me show you guys Nyla dancing. I'm gonna insert the clip. Over there.
If y'all who they check in on the vlog them, yo, if you're not subscribe, come and realize that most of views are coming from unsubscribe. So just subscribe to the channel. You see pre. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and after that you click all. So you get all notification. You see it? Yes man. I'm done.
When we reach down by the fish place, we'll tune back in with you guys. So we just came. Yo guys, I'm so sorry about the footage earlier. I didn't even see that the screen was blurry, but we just came to the fish place, so this is it. Lindsay's seafood. But we bought fish here before, so that's why we came here.
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, this is how it looks. They even look like they added more stuff to it.
Side all the fried bun is steam, and we try
Fry. Want this salad? Open her eyes getting bigger.
beetroot and ginger. Nice.
Wow. Oh, cool.
So we're just, huh?
Cool.
Oh yeah. So we're just waiting to order our food right now.
Oh, man. Escovitch.
2 escovitch fish?
Melon is Paliman fish.
Pali?
Yeah. If you don't want to fry ours, I fry me about it. No, sorry, I put in here now. About 3 fish still, so. You guys sell the fish by the pound, right?
Yes.
How much a pound?
1800.
1800?
You have to weigh it and to be fried.
Oh, like that. Oh, okay.
It can be less than a pound, it can be over a pound.
Tell her it's 3 if you want to pick up one. She'll only pick up one.
No.
Oh, shit. So yeah, we just, those are the fish that we're getting, so they're just weighing them right now, and then I guess we might just start cooking them, right? It's funny because Everyone's like, when they see the camera, like, they get scared. You see everyone step away?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
That's that, but I wasn't catching them.
Bro, let me talk to you a little bit. Man, as soon as me get one camera, they got seaside. Me they gonna look so fit. Man, expensive, man.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
I swear. Yeah, I know.
Yo, do you guys see the breeze? And the breeze is cold, you know. Holy.
I don't know, let me not feel cold, you know?
It feels nice. It just kind of feel like fall. Like, you know when it's fall? That's what it feels. Yeah. Oh, you smell that? Pepper is hot.
Pepper hot.
You see that?
Oh, you lock them out. The blood is there.
I think you push it
Then I
down.
lock my friend. You can't. Oh. Yeah. Nala, warm. Your nose?
Where's the mommy?
Pepper the panda one, man.
No.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, I guess. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, I like that one.
Woo! This is what I've been waiting for. Bami? Holy.
I'm trying to get through. Get the food, everything ready up.
Ready to go.
I can't go. We're in a yield. We can't hear it on the house stop there. Probably go have the music a beat up right now. Can't move.
Yo, my foot are getting wet.
But should go up and now. See what I go on, isn't it? So there, wait for the rain to ease down. I just as we get the food, the rain just come down, you know, bam! You see me? But don't know. Yeah. Yeah, you.
Guys, you see when we say it's been raining since we've been down, this is the type of rain we've been getting. But this is bad, like you can't even see the road.
I want me think I went just down this area and kind of day now.
Right, me too. Come like the wiper blade can't go faster?
No, I didn't buck. It's buck. And then the road no good again. I know all like patrol them go full up of water now, you know, so you literally have to take a little time to go through. You know? But in Jesus' name we go reach home safe.
Yeah.
In God's name, yeah.
We'll come back on and update you guys. Yep, now let's see.
Oh yeah, too. That's crazy.
Guys, the worst part is the rain was so bad, all the garbage is in the road. And not only that, all the stones. Bare stones.
Yeah, so even make it worse, like.
Holy.
Yeah, see the road?
Yeah.
Just now we passed down this and literally all like garbage.
But look what's running, look. It's like a pipe bus.
You see? Patrol, friends and family, it's pouring like rain. Yo! Yes, let me say it's pouring like raining. Where's that going so foolishness? Yo! So literally we have come back a while ago and me have to just make somebody can Nisha go in the car and run go in the car. Because all the boy up there go like all the waste man. I like the man there place and I'm bridging place and the man say, yo, carry the lady go this go in the car and see if they can come back for your thugs, you know? The man say, you know, want wait up your foot, you know, and this, you know, and that. I say, yo, just Nisha just go on and come back, me go for your umbrella, you don't know. But yeah, some serious rain of fall, trust me. But when they come up back a while ago, like, me hardly can see. Remember when we are good on we are talking about patrol them, because me hardly can see where me are go. Do it rain or fall hard. And I have to call politicians and I get stuck on long one. Can't come up, police and laugh after me. Police and laugh after me like police and say, oh, you go reach your yard. There was. You see, at least reach home safe, still, you know. But yo, I see your settings are going. Let me see. We're not supposed to get you are going. Watch out. Go here. Rain out the door. Oh man. Now go to one 10 seconds and listen to this, just silence. Yes man. I want to waste man that the month.
Worried about it.
Anyway.
I meant to bring down umbrella.
My God. Me have to just park the car and just run out in the rain a while ago. Rain! Yo, anybody not be there and be there again? I them a breeze call ya, and them a rain ya. Just go down in the bed and sleep.
No matter what time Paul is gonna be.
Tidy and go on your bed. But just put them. Chuck in back with them look bed, yep. So yo. Yeah, again. I close me and I say I close off the video 9, you know. Like, Nisha in her room, so she'll come out, come. Well, I want to split the vibes, easy. But before that, I share a little story time settings. I look at her Nala in her background, she and Sasha Gay in her room, so I play and Polly Hansen. We're just out on the front, you know. But as I sit down yesterday, I say, I remember when as a boy, you know, when you were away as friend, you used to kick him up. And you know, he always like all that shoot bird and shoot rooster and them things there, you see me? And I think what going on was that we all look some rooster to cook it in a day. Because it's like when you say, oh, we have to buy some chicken, but you know, then time we don't have money to eat. It's Polly right there in there yesterday. And then we don't.
You from what kind of...
How many do Polly?
Move now! You couldn't tell us that, you know, did you?
So that make it like to say about move now. So now, so what going on is that lock back it over there. You can't lock it, you know. What really going on tonight is that we are going to put it up and we are say, oh, we are trying to get some, because we already went cook the dumpling and sitting them ready, because we are say we show our money, you know. But we end up that we never get the money, so we end up that we not even have no money to buy no chicken, so we are say, alright, we go hunt down so fall. Blood clean. Every man of them catapult and we through the bush them and go buck up on one rooster. I'm going to say that, back him up to, you know. And you know, say, fall, run until they're tired. After they're tired, then go find somewhere and hide, you know. And if fall, he chop in all the place and we couldn't catch him, so we have to shoot him and he drop. And we take him up and pick him and clean him up and everything and clean him down really. So yeah, when we cook the roast at the blood clean, I don't know what going on tonight is like. The man go find out, say, how we kill the rooster. Oh God. I also say, I think tonight, me eat somebody too. I like him and I say, oh, I'm gonna make a rooster ball in our belly or crow in our belly, you know. And like a couple of dogs, they must like him and then start crying and say, yo, oh God, me sorry. And then man even go up by money and say, you have this amount of money, I'm beg him do me a big so don't make him crow in our belly. I like, you know, that's like I just pass and go through and the thing and just like nothing happen, you know. But I guess the dog went just vex we come and shoot and fall off. I think I all down in the evening, you know, say fall off up on roost. And then thing, you know, and they just like work out, that's everything just pass off. But I tell you, say man couldn't sleep for days. Because man they worry about to see him rooster or we shoot and kill. And cook, you know. Curry down do you know oil nice. And you know say when you cook rooster, like common fowl and them settings say you have to get a real cook. If you get it down how you want it and the meat there. And meat the tender. You know. But it's just funny as I sit down here and remember about it and I think about it and I say, you know, like, as a boy some things or you go through in a life and do some things and you know, it's just fun but scary because at times you never know what can happen, you know. But a lot of people, even right now, probably not even ever eat a common fowl or one of them rooster they eat. I don't know, but it's just crazy how like certain people not even know about them things. Why you just peeping out here like that? Eh? Well, you want it? Me set you that's in there. Yeah, that one in there. Me was like that if you go in full 100 I think. Because even I think it's same day. You know same day. Because they don't know youth and youth will away a cook and say will away the one place. And for my brethren he always have pigeon. And feel like always a pigeon know say you have the red ham shot, the white dove them, and you have the grey one them with the little black, but they have some little nice little white feather upon them. Say them pigeon they get, you always say you don't want to lose them the pigeon there. But when you have a red ham shot, bad red ham shot, you know, them like that the one that like he always the on the hunt. You know, say dog always love him. So it's like I think I don't remember if for some pig doodle there on the floor or a dog doodle or what. But it's like the dog put the bucket over a pigeon over a doodle, you know, and like he must say, yo, I say, hey boy, if you go as me lift, you grab, you know? As me lift, you grab, and yo, if you make the pigeon get away, whereas I'm red, I'm a pigeon, and if you make him get away, man, you go have out here, and like you would say, yo, no man, just lift up your man, and like you boss, I set up like, go down all up on his foot, and you know, the dog sit down there and the man say, yo, I'm going to come after a tree, you know. As me lift up it, just grab him. Yo, they say, as the man goes so and lift up, like the dog goes and lift up his man, just struck up and grab his up. And everything just squeeze through the dog finger. I tell you, say, the dog cry off and the one already there, like, it ain't funny them time there, but now when you think about it, you say, John, what are you say, you know, if you didn't want to still, but honestly, the time it was like super funny though, because like you know, just grab up the whole in a hand, you know? Because you think I want but once you grab him, say you can go just hold on him, but the dog and just slide through his and just lock on so. I say, what I know. I don't want nobody to do that to me still, but it was fun.
And I see how we alone. Forward we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.